Want to supercharge your muscle gains while keeping your snacks delicious and natural? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 6 power-packed fruits that will help you crush your fitness goals. Let's get into it. Let's start with a fitness staple: bananas. These yellow heroes pack more than just convenient. Bananas are loaded with potassium, which prevents muscle cramps, and carbs that replenish glycogen stores after a tough workout. And did you know they have 1.1 grams of protein per 100? Not bad for a sweet, easy-to-carry snack. Pro tip: pair it with peanut butter for a killer post-workout treat. Next up, guava, ultimate muscle-building powerhouse. With a whopping 4.2 grams of protein per cup, guava has more protein than any other fruit out there. Plus, it's packed with fiber and vitamin C, which are perfect for muscle recovery and boosting your immune system. Add guava juice to your morning smoothie, and you're golden. Now meet jackfruit, the underdog fruit that deserves more love. With 2.84 grams of protein per cup, jackfruit is a nutrient-dense addition to your muscle-building arsenal. It's also loaded with potassium and carbs to keep your energy levels up. Dice it up for your lunch, or enjoy it as a quick post-workout snack. Let's not forget the antioxidant king pomegranate. Not only does it provide 1.7 grams of protein per 100 grams, but it also enhances blood flow to your muscles. That means faster recovery after intense workouts. Grab a pomegranate juice or sprinkle the seeds on a salad to add a nutritious punch. Ah, papaya. It's more than just a tropical treat. Papaya contains papain, a unique enzyme that helps your body digest protein efficiently, key for muscle growth. Plus, it's a natural remedy for muscle soreness. Enjoy it fresh or add it to your protein shake for an extra boost. Last but definitely not least, custard apple. This creamy fruit delivers 2.1 grams of protein per 100 grams and is a carb-rich delight for refueling those glycogen stores after a workout. It's the perfect dessert-like snack that helps your muscles recover while satisfying your sweet tooth. These 6 fruits that are as delicious as they are effective for muscle growth. From bananas to custard apples, these natural powerhouses are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Plus, they're a great way to stay on track with your fitness goals while keeping things fresh and exciting. Now, our bodies don't just need protein, they also need vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and hydration to repair and grow muscle tissues. These essential nutrients improve recovery, reduce soreness, and boost energy levels. Plus, fruits are easy to take with you on the go. Let's see how these 6 fruits can give you a natural edge in your fitness journey. Let's start with a fitness staple: bananas. These yellow heroes pack more than just convenience. Bananas are rich in potassium, which is vital for preventing muscle cramps and maintaining proper muscle function. The carbohydrates in bananas help replenish glycogen stores depleted during workouts, providing a quick energy boost. Did you know that bananas also contain around 1.1 grams of protein per 100 grams? Combine them with peanut butter for a killer post-workout snack packed with protein and healthy fats. Next up, guava. This tropical fruit has more protein than any other fruit out there, about 4.2 grams per cup. Guava is also rich in vitamin C, which reduces oxidative stress and boosts immunity. Muscle recovery can be slowed down by inflammation, and that's where guava's antioxidant properties come in. Add guava juice to your morning smoothie or snack on fresh guava slices during the day to stay energized and healthy. Now, let's talk about jackfruit. It's a great source of both carbohydrates and protein, providing about 2.84 grams of protein per cup. Jackfruit is perfect for keeping your energy levels stable throughout the day. It's also rich in fiber, aiding digestion and ensuring your body can absorb the nutrients it needs for muscle repair. Dice it up for a refreshing lunch, or toss it into a post-workout meal to boost your recovery. Pomegranates are known as an antioxidant powerhouse, and they can significantly enhance muscle recovery. The antioxidants improve blood flow to the muscles, which is essential for delivering nutrients and speeding up recovery. They also reduce inflammation, which can occur after intense workouts. Drinking pomegranate juice post-workout is an easy way to help your muscles recover faster and reduce soreness. Papaya is another tropical fruit that deserves a spot in your diet. It contains papain, an enzyme that helps break down protein, making it easier for your body to absorb the nutrients it needs for muscle repair. Plus, papaya is a great source of vitamin C, further reducing inflammation and supporting your immune system. Add fresh papaya to your smoothies, or enjoy it as a light snack to help ease muscle soreness. Finally, let's talk about custard apple. This creamy, delicious fruit is packed with 2.1 grams of protein per 100 grams. It's also high in carbs, making it a great option for refueling glycogen stores after a tough workout. The natural sweetness of custard apple makes it a perfect dessert-like snack that helps your muscles recover while satisfying your sweet tooth. One of the best things about these fruits is that they're portable and perfect for a fitness on-the-go lifestyle. Whether you're heading to the gym, on a hike, or at work, these fruits are easy to carry and quick to eat. No prep needed, just grab and go. They're the perfect natural snacks to keep you energized throughout the day. Wondering how to include these fruits in your meals? Here are a few ideas. Start your day with a banana peanut butter smoothie. Pack guava slices for a refreshing midday snack. Add pomegranate seeds to your salad or yogurt. Enjoy custard apple as a post-dinner dessert. With a little creativity, you can make these fruits a staple in your diet without any hassle. So there you have it. 6 incredible fruits that can help you build muscle, recover faster, and stay fit on the go. These natural powerhouses aren't just tasty, they're effective additions to your fitness routine. Which fruit are you adding to your diet? Let me know in the comments.